What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So it's been a crazy weekend here for our family. Both of our kids got sick. Landon actually had a double ear infection, so we had to take him into the hospital a few days ago. So luckily, at least at this point, everyone's doing a lot better, but it's been crazy here. So we had planned to do a family vlog this weekend, but just with everything going on, it just didn't happen. We never were able to get to it. But anyways, since I haven't taken over the camera in a little while, I figured I would take it along with me tonight. Carrie's asleep and the kids are all asleep, so the next couple hours I gotta get a couple things done. One of those, I wanna go and get my car cleaned. I do this by hand by myself, so I want to take you guys along with me for a clean with me version. So one thing about me is I love having my car cleaned and detailed. I hate when it gets messy. The last few weeks here in Phoenix have been pretty bad weather, so I haven't gotten to it in a while, and it's gotten pretty dirty too. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you like these videos and want to see more of this in the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe.